a pretty good day to fly. Not really, but I said I would. We'll see what happens here. Smokes. Yeah, it's here by the river, it's really blowing hard. I think the forecast winds are around 55, 60 miles an hour or so, 90 to 100 clicks, maybe more here. Right in the valley floor by the river, and it's definitely howling, definitely. I don't know how the quads will do. We're going to be flying, I think I'll be using the Avant, a little 5-inch. It's pretty powerful. It's a little bit light, so we'll throw a bigger battery on it. This thing's, I think it's pretty capable of 100 miles an hour or so. So I'm gonna do, we'll fly upwind fairly slow just to save some battery, and then we'll do a speed run with the wind coming back. We'll see how that goes. Man, listen to it howl. Woo! Ugly. I think it's gonna just fly away in my face. Wow. I'm probably feeling just holding it. This is stupid. Retarded. It's a bad idea. That's so cold. Let's shut it down. Oh, this one's still recording. Oh my god. That was dumb. Almost got frostbite on my hands. And when I got to the car, it was locked. For some reason, the car was locked. I could found my keys, so they're in my pocket, thank God. I'd die out here. Good times.